how to make a column formula on Smartsheet, and this about help you through the situation that it should be really absolutely done, guys, through the moment that is ready to be satisfied for making this kind of thing very detailed for what it should be really done on the section that we have it on our progress on the nemesis things. So we write formula for the cell target column to start to go for actually about to create column formula. So we go over here about click on three dots on edit properties column, started to know the formula of the column name, starting with kind of drop down list values, or maybe your contact list is starting with that. And this is actually something that I have also drop down as I said to choose a converter to column formula, for example, as I said here on the drop down, and the formula auto applies the entire column on that once you click on save. And that's all about here to help you.